How to fix problems with Shopify discount codes not applying correctly. Follow the instructions. Ensure the discount code is active and not expired. Check that the code is correctly typed without extra spaces. Verify the code is applied to eligible products or collections. Remove any conflicting automatic discounts. Confirm that the order meets any minimum purchase requirements. Make sure the code is valid for the selected currency. Disable any third-party apps that might interfere with discounts. Clear browser cache or try a different browser. Test the code in an incognito or private window. Check for any custom theme code that might block discounts. Ensure customer accounts are logged in if required for the code. Contact Shopify support if the issue persists. Thank you for watching.